This is Andrea with Fantastic Voyages. I'm in room 8136. I'm on the Celebrity Reflection. We're going to do a room tour. I'm in a standard balcony cabin. Let's start back here with the bathroom. I have a little thing to put your foot when you're shaving your legs. All the women can appreciate that. We have some body lotion, some soap, hair dryer. There's a little vanity kit, some little towelettes, and a shower cap. So we have a few spots there, and then down here, a few as well. There's the trash. And then just some small little drawers. One more look at the bathroom real quick. This is a mirror. Here we have a closet. It's hard to see in there. I can't get that to open up anymore. I mean, it's a closet. Doesn't need a lot of explanation. Looks like some people left their hangers. The beds are currently split into two, but they can get pushed into one. You have a small divider. It's hard to see, but... And then when they put the beds together, that will move on the other side, like this. So we have just some drawers. I assume this is the safe. I actually haven't checked. It's the safe. And mini bar is usually not included. Just FYI. Let's go check out the balcony. We are in Fort Lauderdale right now. There is a plane coming, or leaving. So, plenty of cover. This is what it looks like if you look down and at the front. It's a pretty good sized balcony. And that is it. Celebrity Reflection. And a standard balcony room. I'm not sure which category off the top of my head, but balcony room. 8136.